Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Traveler app using 4 API and Google Map API. Now we see the abstract. Travels and tourism industries have been impacted by the recent technology developments such as the mobile technology revolution. For instance, using smartphone apps, travelers can get information, promotion, and geolocation of the tourism destination. In addition, the apps allows to sell the experience, buy and consume tourist services. The impact of the IC is considered even more significant to the tourism industry, many travelers are using the mobile technology. The mobile technology enables people to travel both on the internet and with the internet, offering opportunities for and maybe providing more chances for engagement with others. Now see the flow diagram of our project, and then this is a login page of this. First of all, this is login your flow diagram. If you have a login ID and user ID password means straihtly go to login and email address and it checks the from Firebase. It's a correct on the valid password. If you go to the main page. If you register means enter the name, email, mobile number and password and check that email format is correct. All the email and password is minimum above 6 characters. If you validate and register into the Firebase database and go to main activity. Then next, after login, then go to the main activity. We have the two buttons. One is the tour planning. Another option tour viewing. Tour planning of the city means it's planning the tour. If you example you go to the Delhi. Delhi means first of all you go to the Agra Taj Mahal means select the for creating the Delhi. Delhi as a tour name and creating the Agra is a date and time for that when you go to the Agra and view the Taj Mahal. The time managing for the tour management is selected here. Or otherwise you view the more before you going to the Delhi view to how where the prices are there like you want so if you want to means view the price example type the Delhi and go to means I showing the same all the we see that is we see in the after the in the demo app demo. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see. This is our app demo. First of all, this is a login screen. First of all, we will sign users. Password is 12345 then first of all, this is a first our login screen. To planning and start. This name where this is the tour planning. First of all, we have to go to the tour planning. If you want to go in any place, you just enter the you will example Delhi. If you want to go to Delhi, means Delhi. Starting date. You just click the button. It's getting the date of the example, 11th date, end date is 16th. Then gives a success. Whereas see daily from 11th to 16th. Click daily, which are the places you want to go. Click date, 11th date. First 11th date where it's and time. 3 o'clock, evening 3 o'clock where you go. Means if you want to know the name, enter the name. Otherwise, you long press the face, it's automatically going there on screen. Then click next. Change the text colors because now only I change the background. Change the text colors. If you want to staring, cafe, nightlife, bars, traffic, bar, tables, police stations, governments, temples, like that. So, like that. Example, we go to the cinema shop, click the cinemas. Then we show the all the details of the cinemas. If we go to the M cinemas, means just click the M cinemas, it's getting the M cinemas. Just add, it's getting add. See here, like that. If you want to go to the normal means also, normally searching the place for also, it's going to start, then click start, enter city name, Delhi, okay. Then cinemas. Cinema, if you go to the another place, museum like that, in the national animations, or such that, click the button of map icon. It's showing that where are going to all the where this place is located in the real time, like that, showing the location of the place. So click means is a town, like to national craft museum. Number also we printed. If you want to direction straightly click the map